For the paperclip rings, I use the 28mm regular size paperclip. You need a round form, so a marker or a ring cone, and your tools. If you don't have paper clips, the best thing to use is stainless steel wire. This is 20 gauge. It's quite stiff, just like the paper clips. You can use 20 gauge tarnish resistant brass, tinned copper, or any half hard wire. And if you only have a softer wire, use a little thicker, like 18 gauge. We always start with opening up the paper clip with our flat pliers. You can do this by hand, but it's easier to do with the pliers. So just go slowly and pinch it along as you go. You just want to get it as straight as you can. For the cherry, we'll make it as small as possible so we can get the whole thing out of one paper clip. We're just going to turn that one around and then bend it straight up. And we're just going to curve this a little bit. Take our tweezer nose pliers, bend that down and up this way, just to form the leaf. And then I'm going to hold it in here, bring it down, straight down, and then curve it out again. And then I'm going to bend this one just to the left. Take the round pliers and bring it around to form the other cherry. Check that it's about the same size. You can make it a little bit bigger if you want, and just bring it like straight around. And then we'll get our marker or a ring cone and just bring this all the way around. If the wire is too long, just bend it back and forth until it snaps. Make sure this wire is at a good curve. Bring it in here so it's going to sit in there. And the ring is okay like that, but we can add some color. I'll get the red and just fill that one in. You might need a little bit more, so it just fills it right in there. And then this one too, we just want to like really fill those in there, and then we're going to let it dry. So now we're going to add some green. The Sally Hansen Xtreme Wear nail polish works really well, and it's pretty affordable. So we'll just carefully put the green for the stem, and we're just going to fill in this area here. You might have to just clean it up a little bit. Make sure you fill in this area. Also make sure you shake the nail polish well before you use it. And you can flip it and paint the other side too. And there you have your super cute cherry ring made with a paper clip and nail polish.